In this video, I am going to start computer and electronic device. In this chapter, we will learn how computers are an electronic machine. We will compare human and computer in their way of working. At last, we will list the advantages and disadvantages. Children, so many things are there that we can do on computer. We can see computer everywhere, in offices, in shopping malls, railway stations, schools and homes. It is used everywhere. Computers have touched all parts of our lives. The way we work, the way we learn, the way we live, and even the way we play. We can write, we can play and send emails. We can get so many information from internet through computer. So we can do many things on computer. Computer cannot work on its own. It is an electronic device. We need to give them order. We need to type letters, numbers, pictures. Children, computer works on three basic steps. These steps are input, process and output, that is result. So it works on IPO method. Let us understand through an example. Your mother puts all the dirty clothes along with washing powder, water and switch on the washing machine. Now machine starts, so the process of cleaning is going on. The machine is washing the cloth. The third step is that we get clean clothes. So your mother did input, puts clothes, washing powder and switch on the machine. The cleaning of clothes is process. In the same way, the computer processes through CPU. At last, we get clean clothes. This is called output. In the same way, we get the result through monitor and speakers. A computer is an electronic device that works on IPO cycle, that is input, process and output. It is primarily used to input data and process it to produce the required final output.
बीच में गैप कट.
A computer is a great invention of the modern technology created by humans. It has wonderful features which make it a multi-purpose machine. Yet it is dependent on humans. Let us see how computer is different from humans. Computer works very fast and can do many jobs at the same time, while a man cannot work so fast and also cannot do many jobs at the same time.
कट.
Number 2. A computer has memory to store everything, but a man can store something in memory. Men forget many things in their memory with the passing of time. Number 3. Computer never makes any mistake. It works accurately, but a man can make a mistake because a man is not perfect. Number 4. A computer can work for a long time without getting tired, but humans cannot work for a long time continuously. They need rest. Number 5. Computer cannot think and take decisions of its own. It works only on instructions and on commands by humans or men, but men can think and take decisions. Computer does not have any feeling or emotions. It does not feel happy or sad, but man experiences all the emotions and feelings like happiness, sad, joyfulness, and sorrow. Let us learn certain advantages of computers. High speed. Computer works very fast. It takes microseconds to do any work. It can solve many sums in a second. Storage. A computer can store a large amount of data. Data that is stored in computer may be in the form of text, video, audio or pictures. Electronic presentation. With the help of computer, we can make an attractive presentation of our work, and these presentations are very simple and easy. Automation. Computer is an automatic machine. Once we store the program in computer memory, it will start working. Calculations. Computer can do large calculations. It can perform many calculations in a few seconds and do very accurately. Education. It is one of the most interactive aid compared to other media. It provides teaching materials in form of videos and text, thus making learning interesting. It also acts as a reference book. Besides the positive aspects of computer, it may also have negative impact on our society. Let us learn about some disadvantages of computers. Environment. The process of manufacturing computers pollutes the environment. Health risk. Working on computer for longer hours can lead to back, neck and shoulder pain, headache, eye strain and overuse may result in injuries of the arms and hands. Cybercrime. With the increased use of internet on computer, cybercrimes or internet crimes have increased. People threaten others or blackmail them and even hack their profiles. Virus attack. Computers are often attacked by virus. These virus attacks can delete files or make them corrupt.